Hey guys, we are going to be making an Applebee's inspired quesadilla burger, but we're going to be doing ours low calorie and keto friendly. Now let's get started. We'll be using the Joseph's pita bread for this, and they only have 60 calories. They even have some protein in it, so they're really good. We'll be using ground sirloin. We got this on sale at the grocery store and froze it. So you can use whatever you want to. You can even use ground turkey if you would like. You're just going to take your meat, your ground meat, and you're going to spread it across your pita bread. And you want this to be kind of thin because you're going to be cooking this only one side down. So we're just going to be putting the hamburger side down. We're going to season a little bit with salt and pepper. This does come together really quick, so this is a good weeknight meal or the weekend whenever you don't have a lot of time or just don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We're turning our burner on medium high, so about 350. Meat side down. While that's cooking, we're going to be making some au jus to go on the top of it. For our au jus, we're going to be using a little bit of ranch dressing, a dash of cayenne, a dash of smoked paprika, and some salsa. We did say we was making quesadilla burgers, right?
That's what we said.
Yeah,
Can't be quesadillas without a little bit of salsa.
that's exactly right. So we're just going to stir this together.
Wow. This could be a hamburger? Whoa.
Yeah, it's going to be good. Let's see. It's good. In fact, I think it needs just a little bit more cayenne. You guys can season yours to your liking. We'll also add some dill pickle. Oh, we like dill pickle. We'll put all of that in there. And we'll also add some shallots. Give a little bit of pepper.
And it looks good. Can I try? The cameraman has something, dang it.
Too much cayenne?
Nope.
Okie dokie.
Nope. No such thing, is there?
Okay, we're going to flip this. And as soon as you flip it, you will start to put your cheese on here so that it will melt. What we have is a mixture of mozzarella, cheddar, and also some sharp cheddar. Now, two of our cheeses are smoked. They're cold smoked, and that is the best. Woo, look at it blowing up. That is the very best cheese. Check out our channel, and I'm just going to let that air out of that pita. Check our channel for the recipe for that cold smoke. Once it's done, you'll take it off, put it here. Now we're going to put some toppings on it. We'll put that au jus on here that we had made. We're going to put some tomatoes and some arugula. And of course, we need a little bit of salt and pepper on those tomatoes. Bring out all those flavors. Once you get your toppings on it, you're going to take your burger and fold it over. We lost a couple things, but we'll get that put back on there. But look how delicious this burger looks. There you have it, our Applebee's inspired quesadilla burger. Low calorie and keto friendly. Please like, share, and subscribe.